Today, we're pitting two massive OS visions head to head: Warmwind OS, the AI native automation platform, versus Google's Fuchsia, the ultra modular open source OS. One is all about having a digital assistant that works for you. The other is a tech giant's long term bet on a future OS architecture. Let's break down what's real and what's ready for you in 2025. Warmwind OS is not just another tool, it's a full stack AI automation platform that thinks and acts like a human. Built from scratch as an AI native OS, it watches, clicks, types, navigates, and manages workflows across apps like Slack, Google Docs, CRM systems, and more, all without scripts or APIs. It's designed to scale, start with one task, then spin up assistant clones to run entire departments if you want. On the technical side, Warmwind runs in the cloud as a custom Linux-based backend, streaming a visual UI to your browser. Close your browser window, and the AI keeps working, your automation doesn't pause. But be prepared for debate. Some say it's not an OS, it's just a fancy web app. Warmwind embraces the debate, arguing that calling itself OS helps people grasp the idea of AI doing the work for you. On the other corner stands Google's Fuchsia, a genuinely new open-source OS architected from scratch using the Zircon microkernel. Unlike Android or Chrome OS, it doesn't rely on Linux. This gives it modularity, security, and performance from the ground up. Turn 0, search 5. Today, you'll find Fuchsia running on devices like the Nest Hub, and it's evolving with a focus on cross-device architecture, scalable security, and support for apps written in Flutter. The project is open source and has a published 2025 roadmap, though it's not yet mainstream. Turn 0, search 11. On Reddit, users speculate that Fuchsia's Tarnix project may be Google's clever way to ensure app developer adoption so the ecosystem can finally take off. What they are and what they do. Warmwind OS, a cloud-native automation engine, an AI agent that completes tasks in real time across your workflow with visible actions. Great if you want to offload your work to an assistant. Fuchsia, a universal, open-source OS built for security, modularity, and cross-platform presence from IoT to laptops. Maturity and availability. Warmwind is in closed beta as of mid-2025, with real usage demos and early adopters. Solopreneurs, small teams, anyone who needs automation now and you can't install arbitrary software. It's domain-specific automation. Fuchsia also runs in select Google hardware and is actively developed. Broader consumer rollout is still pending. Developers, hardware makers, and long-term platform thinkers, but still lacks ecosystem depth. Widespread app support and consumer awareness are low. In short, want to delegate your daily grind to an autonomous AI assistant? Warmwind OS is your magic wand. It works in the cloud, it scales, and it acts like a human assistant. Want to place a bet on the future of open, modular operating systems across devices? Fuchsia is that long game player, secure, flexible, and powerful once its ecosystem grows. Both are bold guesses at what OS should mean in 2025 and beyond. If you're juggling tasks, start with Warmwind. If you're building for the long haul, Fuchsia is worth watching closely.